In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo and add it, use this button of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now make sure photo is on, use all of those options and snap it. It will be automatically added to your message. To add a photo that already exists, click on the same icon, tap on it here, and send it. If you can't find it though, don't worry, that's actually a common issue. What you need to do is tap on the same icon, scroll all the way down and hit Folders at the bottom left corner. Then tap on all of your photos you wanna attach, hit Done at the bottom right corner and simply swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!